Commission on Elections or COMELEC Chairman George Erwin Garcia has disclosed that a mayor in Bicol allegedly prevented the proclamation of winning candidates in a barangay. Garcia emphasized that it is highly imprudent for a local chief executive to intervene in an electoral process when they are not a candidate. Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections are meant to be apolitical. However, the COMELEC has not yet revealed the mayor's name.
So ito warning do sa mayor na yung kilala mo kung sino ka. Huwag mo na lang pilitin na i-name ka namin. Hindi makapag-proclaim yung Barangay Board of Canvasser namin dahil pinapakailman dahil wag daw muna i-proclaim. So inutasan natin ang regional director, the BBOC should proclaim today at all costs. Wala tayong pakialam sa kung sino pa yung tumatawag na yan.
The poll chief added that they will file an appropriate election offense. Commissioner in charge of the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections, Ray Bulay, also stated that they will not allow any individual to meddle in their business. Any attempt to disrupt an electoral process is violative under the Omnibus Election Code.
Kapag yun ho ako ang nag-file ng demand, may pagkakalagyan ho yung mga yun. Lahat po ng kasali doon. Wala kaming binibintang kahit kanino, pero hindi po mangyayari yun nang sila-sila lang yun.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.